5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Sir, I would like to draw attention to some aspects of the export policy and the strategy. Stop. We all know that our exportable surplus is only a very small part of our gross national product, roughly of the order of 5 to 6%. Stop. We know, however, that international trade, foreign trade, is a function of international interdependence. Stop. No doubt, basically, we produce for our own consumption. Stop. But whatever a natural advantage we have, we naturally have to tap it to build exportable surpluses so that then we can earn the necessary foreign exchange for meeting our essential requirements. Stop. The essential policy that we have followed is correct. Stop. I see nothing wrong to fight against. Stop. The policy of export promotion and import substitution must remain our policy. Stop. But it seems in actual implementation we have failed on both fronts. Stop. Our share of the world trade has come down from roughly 1% about 2 decades ago to less than half a percent in 1984. Stop. We remain primarily an exporter of primary products despite all the noise we make about non-traditional items. Stop. To tea, jute, iron ore, rice, spices, cashew nuts are our mainstay. Stop. And we have probably the only exception among the major items, textiles, leather, if you can call it an industrial product. Stop. We hear so much about engineering goods. Stop. Our export of engineering goods accounts for 0.1% of the total world trade in engineering exports. 20 years after we made our first engineering export to the United States sometime in 1977. Stop. I think this needs to be improved. Stop. I have therefore a few suggestions to make. I feel that our markets must be diversified and so should be our sources of supply. Stop. We should think of markets nearer home, in our close vicinity, in Africa, West Asia, in Southeast Asia. Stop. And one way of doing it will be to build mutually beneficial relationships, ties of interdependence. Stop. Secondly, there are a number of items in which greater efforts has to be put in order to organize the producers and exporters. I do not want to say combines in associations. Stop. And I think a little bit of a beginning was made in the case of jute. Stop. We can do a better collective bargaining with our buyers and we can have more favorable terms of trade, better international marketing than we are having today. Stop. Stanza. Thirdly, we have to add naturally to our value adding capacity. Stop. From iron ore we are going to pelletization. Stop. But why can't we go to iron and steel? Stop. Over.